I'm Katalin, the creator of Creative English in Hungary. Now I'm here on behalf of Expert Village and I'm going to show you how to make Christmas paper decoration. First, get 2 pieces of paper. Just simple printing paper would do. And then fold it in 4. Okay, and let's fold it on the other side too. So in this way you will have 8 pieces that are exactly the same size. Now let's decide what you are going to make. Now I'm going to make a snowman, which is very simple. Let's start it with the bottom, and the bottom should actually touch the side of the paper. Just like that. You can of course use compasses for that. And then you need the head, which is a smaller circle.